Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Cheri. Today, we are going to learn 25 vocabulary words about the weather. These words will help you talk about the weather every day. This lesson is for beginner English learners, so I will speak slowly and clearly. Are you ready? Let's begin. Let's start with spring. Spring is a beautiful season. Our first word is warm. Warm means it feels nice, not too hot, and not too cold. For example, today is a warm day. I will wear a t-shirt. It's comfortable and keeps me cool in the sun. Perfect for a day in the park like this. Next is cool. Cool is a little bit cold, but still pleasant. The evenings are cool in the spring. You might need a light jacket. Now, let's talk about rain. Rain is water that falls from the clouds. A simple sentence is, I like the sound of the rain. When it rains, we can use the word rainy. Rainy means there is a lot of rain. For example, it is a rainy day. I will take my umbrella. Next is cloud. A cloud is a white or gray shape in the sky. Look at the big white cloud! When the sky is full of clouds, we say it is cloudy. Cloudy means there are many clouds in the sky. An example is, it is cloudy today, so we can't see the sun. Next is wind. Wind is moving air. For example, the wind is blowing the leaves on the trees. Now, let's move on to summer. Summer is usually the hottest season. Our first summer word is hot. Hot means a very high temperature. It is very hot in the summer. I want to go swimming. That's better. Next is the sun. The sun is the big bright star in the sky that gives us light and heat. The sun is shining brightly today. When there is a lot of sun, we use the word sunny. Sunny means the sun is out and there are few clouds. It's a sunny day. Let's go to the beach. Sometimes in the summer, there is a storm. A storm is very bad weather with strong wind and rain. Whoa, look at that lightning! The wind is so strong! The storm is very loud tonight! I better get inside! During a storm, you might see lightning. Lightning is a bright flash of light in the sky. Whoa, did you see that lightning? After lightning, you often hear thunder. Thunder is the loud noise after lightning. It's okay, buddy. The thunder is scary, but it's just a sound. After the rain, you might see a rainbow. A rainbow is a beautiful arc of colors in the sky. Wow, look at the beautiful rainbow! Let's talk about fall. Fall is also called autumn. The weather starts to get cooler. A common word for fall is chilly. Chilly means it is a little cold and makes you feel cool. It's getting chilly outside. I need a sweater. Hi! It's a foggy day today. Foggy is when there are thick clouds close to the ground, making it hard to see. Look how misty it is! In the fall, it can be windy. Windy means there is a lot of wind. It's a windy day. My hat blew off my head! I caught it! Our last season is winter. Winter is the coldest season of the year. The main word for winter is cold. Cold is a very low temperature. It is very cold in the winter. I need to wear a coat, a hat, and gloves. In winter, we often see snow. Snow is soft, white ice that falls from the sky. The children are playing in the snow. When it is snowing, we say it is snowy. Snowy means there is a lot of snow. It is a snowy day. Let's build a snowman! Another winter word is ice. Ice is frozen water. There is ice on the sidewalk. Be careful not to slip. When the sidewalk has ice, we say it is icy. Walk carefully. Sometimes the weather is freezing. Freezing means it is extremely cold, below the temperature where water turns to ice. It's freezing outside. My fingers are so cold. But let's keep going. Our last word is weather. Weather is the state of the atmosphere at a place and time. It includes heat, cloudiness, dryness, sunshine, wind, and rain. Understanding weather helps us prepare for daily life. So, we can ask, what is the weather like today? And now you can answer. You can say, it's sunny, or it's rainy, or it's cold. Great job, everyone! You have learned 25 new words about the weather. Let's quickly review them one more time. For spring, warm, cool, rain. Rainy. Cloud. Cloudy. Wind. For summer, hot. Sun. Sunny. Now storm weather. Storm. Lightning. Thunder. Rainbow. Wow, what a windy fall day. It's chilly, but the leaves are dancing. This foggy air makes it feel so magical. I could walk here forever. Let's review the words for winter. Cold, snow, snowy, ice, icy, freezing, and the most important word, weather. Practice using these words every day. You can look outside your window and describe the weather. Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it windy? This is a great way to remember them.
Thank you so much for watching and learning with me today. I hope this lesson was helpful for you. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Bye for now!